Welcome to my GamPAL software review. Today, I'll be discussing the key features, ease of use, potential earnings, community and support, and launch details of GamPAL. GamPAL is an AI-powered game site builder, preloaded with over 200,000 mobile games. It offers monetization through skippable ads, SEO-friendly templates, mobile app integration, and advanced game management. GamPAL's user-friendly interface makes site creation accessible to everyone, guiding users through each stage from selecting a template to customizing the site's content and design. With a site preloaded with thousands of games, users can attract a significant amount of gameplay, translating into more ad views and higher earnings. GamPAL provides robust support and a community forum where users can share tips, ask questions, and get help from both peers and experts. GamPAL is set to launch on May 27, 2024. Visit the official page for more information and to take advantage of any early sign-up offers or bonuses. GamPAL offers a unique opportunity for individuals to tap into the lucrative gaming market, providing the tools and support needed to succeed. For more information, check the link in the description.